All right. Breaking. Texas Tech University is calling for the immediate evacuation of Holdings Hall and surrounding area in Lubbock, Texas. Reason is unknown at the moment at Breaking for News. Now, there is a serious ground invasion in Gaza. Israel has launched a massive ground operation in West Bank, largest since war started. Israeli forces deploy over 100 armored vehicles, including Caterpillar D9 bulldozers in Jenin for a major operation targeting Hamas and PIJ members. Clashing ongoing. Israeli forces have occupied multiple buildings in Jenin with snipers deployed. Persistent clash between Israeli forces and Palestinian fighters near IBN. Alright. Persistent clashes between Israeli forces and Palestinian fighters near Sina Hospital and Al-Zahraa neighborhood. Clashes in Nablus between Israeli forces and Palestinian militants spark. Israeli drones bomb certain locations in Jenin. Unconfirmed reports the IDF is allegedly encircling a leader of the Fatah military wing. Reports of the Israeli bombing targeting a residential neighborhood in al-Hawa in Gaza and an apartment in a residential tower. Helicopters and drones are active in multiple areas for monitoring. Now, in another news, just in, flyers on Palestinian cars with warning. Palestinians in the West Bank reported flyers on their cars placed by Jews in the village of Deir Steer, which reads, and then I quote, "You have one last chance to escape to Jordan in an orderly manner, after which we will kill every enemy and forcibly expel you from our holy land. Take your belongings with you immediately and leave, because we are about to strive." That is channel 11. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Instagram and TikTok. Thank you very much. We pray for peace. We don't need war. There is serious clash now between Palestine and Israel.
شكلها في حالة ما في